Hello, everyone, and welcome to this new episode, the second episode of the podcast Noorcast. And today we're starting our journey through the laws of human nature by Robert Greene. In this series, we'll explore the key lessons from each chapter and discover how understanding human behavior can help us improve our lives and relationships. In this first episode, we'll focus in chapter 1, Master Your Emotional Self. Robert Greene begins with a simple but powerful idea. We often believe that we are rational, but in reality, our emotions influence most of our decisions. Whether it's anger, fear, excitement, jealousy, or insecurity, emotions can quickly shape our thoughts and actions without us even noticing. The author introduced what he calls the Law of Irrationality. According to this law, people tend to react emotionally first and think logically later. We often justify our actions with reason, but the real motivation may come from hidden emotions. So, how can we become more rational? Robert Greene suggests that developing self-awareness instead of reacting immediately. We should learn to pause, observe our emotions, and ask ourselves why I am feeling this way. By recognizing our emotional triggers, we gain greater control over our behavior. The main lesson of this chapter is clear. Mastering your emotions does not mean suppressing them. It means understanding them, managing them, and preventing them from controlling your decisions. So, in the next episode, we'll continue exploring the other chapters of the laws of human nature and uncover more insights about ourselves and the people around us. Thank you for listening and see you in chapter 2.